Hi, I am Ishan.
I am Praneeth.
And I am Samirana.
We are here to introduce you to Feed Cycle, a revolutionary app that addresses global food waste crisis while supporting sustainable farming practices.
Did you know that nearly one-third of all food produced globally is wasted? In the hospitality industry, this issue is particularly pressing.
Excess food from restaurants and hotels often end up in landfills, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation.
That's why we created Feed Cycle. Our app bridges the gap between food providers and farmers, redirecting surplus food from restaurants to feed animals like pigs, cows, and chickens. It's a win win for everyone. Here's how it works: restaurants and hotels use the app to list surplus food. Farmers are notified and can collect this food, transforming waste into a sustainable resource for their animals.
Our app is designed with simplicity in mind. It starts with a language selection screen to make it accessible to everyone, including animal caretakers who may not be tech savvy. Users can choose from two languages, making it inclusive and easy to use. After logging in, users can select where their food should go, whether to piggery, poultry, or dairy farms. They simply fill out a form and the systems take care of the rest.
The Feed Cycle app ensures smooth communication between restaurants and farmers. It's not just about reducing waste, it's about creating a circular economy where resources are reused efficiently. We surveyed 11 restaurants and found out that over 50% generate more than 20 kilograms of food waste daily. Most don't have effective waste management systems. However, 81% expressed interest in participating in a platform like ours.
Our secondary research highlights the environmental benefits of repurposing food waste as animal feed. It reduces methane emissions, saves resources, and supports sustainable farming practices.
Developing Feed Cycle taught us the power of teamwork and innovation. While we led the surveys,
I, Ishan, documented the results.
And I, Praneeth, brought our vision to life by building the app.
and I, Samirana, created the content for the app.
With Feed Cycle, we're tackling food waste and supporting farmers in a way that benefits everyone, animals, business, and the planet.
Join us in making a difference. Together, we can turn food waste into a sustainable solution for a better tomorrow. Thank you for supporting Feed Cycle.